So whilst travelling up north, I'd been keeping my eye out for a safari. They're pretty rare, they don't come up that often. But at the time we were volunteering at a farm near Fortaleza.
Hello, you're welcome to Santa Cruz Farm.
They grew all kinds of organic vegetables and fruits. We were helping them plant, prune and crop.
It's all organic, you see?
I found one for sale on Mercado Livre, Brazil's equivalent of eBay. The bus looked okay in the pictures, not the best, but not the worst. And most importantly, although we knew it needed work, it was still original. Sid, the guy selling it, was an old roadie biker guy. We got great vibes from him, it felt right. So we bit the bullet and booked the 4,000 kilometre flight from Fortaleza all the way down to Canela at the opposite end of Brazil.
This is the story of us buying our lovely little house on wheels, Wilma.
Hello Bella. Hello Nina. Ooh, yes. We got the bad boy Sid on the grill, doing his burger thing. We've got a bacon, cheese, tomato, homemade burger vibe. These bad boys. Ah, yeah.
Sid here cooks us some really good healthy meals. Washed down with some
Oh my
detox
God. The title is My First Caipirinha.
My first caipirinha.
Sashbon's first go ever driving a bus.
The steering's not very responsive.
No, not like a normal car. Well, would you looky here. Whilst looking around the van, I said, is it leaking water? Because this looks like water damage to me. And he's like, no, it's not leaking. Well, all down the side here as well. I mean, I could tell because of the watermarks, but yep, it's leaking.
Hey England, God save the Queen!
So after lots of deliberation, test driving and negotiating because of the leaks and the things that are wrong, we have purchased this bad boy, my dream bus. It is a 1990 Carman Gear Safari and the model is the Cheetah. So retro original seats. We've had some sort of weird hydraulic aftermarket power steering. So we'll be changing that. We got some original Blaupunk stereo. Look at the woofers on that. So they'll be changed for some bad boy subbage, original badgage. Got some funky shit going on at the top there. Obligatory dash fan in the old hot countries. A bit of a rev gauge on the go, temperature gauge. Oh my God, I can't wait to show you the back. So what we have is a bed over the cab, which Sashbon is currently scrubbing and cleaning. There's a little skylight up there and got little side windows that open up. Beautiful. Fridge, freezer there. Got some storage for your clothes. Got a kitchenette here. Obviously it all needs cleaning. Gas, oven and cooker. Storage here for the old gas bottle. Someone's had a go at the electrics, but the guy we bought it off Sid can't tell us diddly squat about any of it. And when I show you the electrics, is this shit, man? So yeah, all of that needs ripping out and replacing. Got some more cupboards here. Unfortunately, we've got a leak on the roof where the old solar system was. Totally bodged the roof, so this all needs attention. Aircon unit. Skylight on the go here. In here. Ooh, a bathroom. Modern boiler, flue's fucked and there's a big hole in it. We got a little porta potty. Maybe we'll replace that with a composting toilet at some point. No massive turnouts. Emergency poos only. So we've got a little shower on the go, little cabinet, a bit of storage up there and a little skylight. We're going to change this window for a clear one so we can have a poo with a view. It's quite cosy in here really. So here is our living space. Got a bit of storage up here, table and chairs. So this thing swivels round, a bit like this, so you can have more people around for dinner. Nice storage all up the top here. This also folds out into a double bed. I've also got these add-ons, so there was like some bars that go across that, and you can have like a little bit of a hammock styley. So don't look very fucking comfortable to me, but anyway, we can have that shit. Here is the heart of the machine. Bit fucking dirty, a bit old and tatty. Fuel lines need doing, and fucking just about everything needs doing, but fuel tanks this side. This is the hydraulic aftermarket power steering that's just dog shit. We'll probably change that. You dirty boy.
Yeah, I'm old to rock and roll, but young to die.
First actual ever cooking is a fucking hash cake in the pasta. It's the first thing we've ever cooked. Oh shit, that's the rest of the cake mix. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear CG. Happy birthday to you. Hey!
Thank you, thank you.
So today's mission is to fix the leaking roof. There's your problem. So I think the roof has been leaking because whoever tried to fit the solar panels, done an absolutely terrible job of full biff the roof repair. We've gone over the hole. It's fucking raining, but it's all right. I'm gonna do one little strip, I reckon, and then hopefully we are fucking golden. There, the steck's nice and solid. Look, it looks like. Just needs a sweep. This one is showing on cupboard who's boss. Yeah. Boop, boop. So, when we bought the combi, unfortunately it's got this fucking horrible like Golf GTI wheel. So I asked old Sigi if that came with the bus, and he was like, no, hang on a minute. It's got the original. The hunt is on for the original steering wheel. What is this?
Fan.
Original fan.
Yes, that is from Safari too.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yes. We love an original fan. Yes. Treasure hunting.
Fucking got the original, baby. Get her on, man. Yeah.
The 4 little original seats. So there was some absolutely disgusting seat covers on there. So underneath is the original bad boys, but unfortunately they're a little bit damaged. So just cutting up the old seat covers and patching her up. Sashbon's in the back cleaning the kitchen.
Hi.
So here in the back, underneath the old seat, is access to the top of the engine, being well handy. It's absolute filthy. So some breather pipe off the second carbs come off. This is split. The fuel lines are absolutely diabolical. The engine bay looks good as well, isn't it? Fucking filthy as fuck. Bit of a scrub. It's fucking clean. It's clean under there. Just needs fucking cleaning. And that's what you want, a clean dry. New oil, plugs, belt. Power steering fluid. So I'm under here trying to check the valves. The little mutt doesn't want to miss out on the action. Do your nugget. CV boot still to do. I've discovered that the split charge system in the van is completely dog shut. So this is what has been wired up incredibly badly. So we've got a new battery, we've got some new thicker cable for alternator, some new connectors, and Sashbon, tits out. It's got some new spray. What are you going to do with your spray, mate?
That's a little spray shop. No spray, no way.
So now we have the joy of trying to work out what the fucking hell is going on here. We have ripped out a hell of a lot of shit, just rewiring all of the 12 volt and the engine, and I have one battery. So it turns out we needed a new alternator as well. So we bought a brand new battery and got rid of all the crap and just wired it in clean. Clean dry. Sashbon has spent all day cleaning the awning sides. Fucking ledge. And she is now fitting the original curtains that he had. Yes. We drove the other day and the grey water tank stank of shit.
So we just need to pull it towards you. Give it a little wiggle. Oh, it stinks! Oh, look at the fucking hairball!
the smell.
Oh, there's maggots. There's your problem.
Oh. Oh my days.
It's like dog shit.
Now that is what you call grey water. Isn't it? Fucking sludge fest. Seatbelts weren't clicking in properly. Nothing the old mate WD-40 didn't sort out. Spring load. Oh yeah. You're a big boy, ain't you? He looks like a crocodile from here. I'll give her a good scrub. Come on, pretty clean. Stomach with some fuel line. She's ready to test. Fingers crossed. Fired up. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, baby. She's idling good.
Vai, boiadeiro, que a noite já vem.
We're getting there with the packing. Did a systems check of the outdoor table and realised all 4 chairs are pretty shit. Sasha's mugged me off and given me the fucking, even the shittest one out of everything.
De manhãzinha, quando eu sigo pela estrada.
I noticed you give me the Joey one. Look, don't pretend you didn't fucking do it on purpose, you bitch. Give me the fucking Joey one without the arm. Oh yeah, fuck off. As if you didn't.
Yes, most definitely got the Joey one.
Come to the all-important poo shovel.
Poo
scooper.
shelves.
Just not really sure where. Where do you store your pooper scooper? Oh no, this is a video.
Vamos lá.
Go.
Call of my name, and you know wherever I am, I come running to see you again. The first one. Yeah. Goodbye, Vilma. Goodbye, Mr. Summer. Goodbye, Miss Summer. Bye. Cuecão de couro. Tchau.